Hi YouTube, it's me, Rona98. Let me turn off this fan real quick. And today we're going to be upgrading the RAM in my 2008 Mac Pro. It's currently got 4 gigs. We're going to upgrade it to 12. So let's go ahead and open up the side panel. You guys can see it's got a little dust starting to form. Alright, and this RAM riser card already has some RAM in it, so we'll install the new sticks into this riser card. So we will set it down, and let me go ahead and open this up because it's got my address on it. So if we pull these out, they are out of an HP server, but they're the same kind of RAM that the Mac Pro uses, just with smaller heat sinks, basically. Let's go ahead and open this up somehow without damaging the RAM, and I don't have a knife out here, so. Here's the stick of RAM, guys. Hinks 4 gig, PC2-5300. Let's go ahead, stick it in. Oh, well, first you need to open up these little latches. You actually probably should use these last 2 spots. At the price that I paid for these, I'm really hoping they'll work, but I only paid $10 for this 8 gig set. So let's go ahead and stick the riser card back into the system. Put the door back on. And we'll be back once I get the system all plugged up. So it's booting up. I don't expect it to be really any faster on boot up. That all has to do with the hard drive. And it's a slow hard drive. I do hope to get an SSD soon, so that should help. See, the RAM meter up here is really low, so that means it's got to have that extra RAM now, or it's got to be reading the extra RAM. 12 gigs. And then 2 4 gig sticks and the 2 gig sticks. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and actually screenshot that real quick so I can put it into the video. And yeah. So it was successful, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.